the world around us, enable us to read, write, and watch things, important for learning colors, shapes, and recognizing faces. Ears allow us to hear sounds and music, help us communicate by listening to others, essential for balance and coordination. Nose helps us smell different scents, like food and flowers, important for tasting food because smell enhances flavor, filters the air we breathe. Mouth, used for speaking, singing, and eating, helps us taste and chew food. Essential for expressing emotions through smiles or laughter. Hands allow us to write, draw, and create crafts, help us pick up and hold objects, important for learning fine motor skills, like tying shoelaces. Feet enable us to walk, run, and jump, help us balance and stand upright, important for physical activities like dancing or playing sports. Brain controls everything we do, think, and feel. Helps us learn new things and solve problems, essential for memory, imagination, and creativity. Heart pumps blood throughout the body, keeping us alive, helps us stay active and healthy, represents love and emotions, teaching us about kindness and empathy. Lungs help us breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide, important for staying energetic and active, support overall health by providing oxygen to all parts of the body. Stomach helps us digest food and absorb nutrients. Gives us the energy to play and learn, teaches kids the importance of healthy eating. Teeth help us chew food properly, important for speaking clearly, teach kids about dental hygiene and taking care of their smiles. Bones provide structure and support to the body, protect vital organs like the heart and brain, important for growing tall and strong. Muscles allow us to move, lift things, and play sports, help us maintain posture and stability, essential for physical strength and endurance. Skin protects our body from germs and injury, helps us feel sensations like touch, heat, and cold, important for regulating body temperature. Hair protects the scalp from sun and injury, adds to our appearance and identity, teaches kids about grooming and self-care. Tongue helps us taste different flavors like sweet, salty, sour, and bitter, important for speaking clearly and forming words, aids in swallowing food and drinks. Liver filters toxins from the blood and helps in digestion, stores energy and vitamins for the body to use, teaches the importance of eating healthy foods to keep the liver strong. Kidneys help remove waste from the blood and produce urine. Regulate the body's fluid balance, teach kids the importance of drinking water to stay heat.